I was relaxing until I heard it, that tiny snack crinkle. My ears activated. And then I sprinted full speed, no hesitation. I slid into the living room, almost crashed, but worth it. I knew it was close. Snack detected, radar locked. Must investigate immediately. There it was, on the counter, my destiny right in front of me. I leaned in, ready to grab it, then saw my human. Instant freeze.
Ba?
They said, "Bo?" I looked away slowly, pretended innocence. I did nothing. But then, they gave me one. My whole world lit up. Best day ever.